Struggling to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp Android and iOS. Find locked chats on WhatsApp. Let's talk about this. So, let's start the video. Now, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. The steps work exactly the same on both devices. At the very top, you'll see an option called Locked Chats. Tap on it. Next, tap on Settings at the top and turn on Locked Chats. Keep in mind, you'll need to set a code. You can either use your existing secret code or create a new one. Tap Next, enter the code again, and then tap Done. Now that this is set up, exit the screen. Even if you swipe down, you won't see your locked or hidden chats anymore. The only way to access them is by tapping on Search at the very top. You must enter your secret code. Once you type in the full code, your locked and hidden chats will appear. You can now open them from here. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.